Yeah, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, my lovely brothers and sisters all over the world. I still remember Mr. Ezeaku, the founder and leader of Igbo's Love Themselves Charity Foundation worldwide, and as well a messenger of men and Mathias Ezeaku and Igbo. So I would like you to share this video, let this video go viral. This video is made for every black child all over the world. Black children all over the world, this video is made for you. This is what I've been clamoring for. This is the reason why I'm trying to show you that I love you, because I have seen what they have never saw with your eyes. I have seen a lot of things happening secretly in the name of Christianity, which I am seeing practical under my NGO. And that is why I came out to save you and your generation. And some of you are laying your stones against me. Many of you are throwing stones against me. Today we are going to discuss about our brother Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki and what happened today in Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki's compound. For those who are not understanding our language, this brother here holding crocodile, his name is Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki. He's a native doctor in Igbo land. A native doctor, those who believe that they can do charm for you and you will start making money. You know, those who believe, those who are telling our youth to come and do charms called Okite, for them to be prosperous, for them to be bigger than Mark Zuckerberg, for them to be bigger than Brigade, for them to be richer than Buhari and Dangote in Nigeria. So this our brother is a pure native doctor. Pure native doctor. Understand? And who believe in magic for survival. That he can make something to happen without following the due process through charm. And the people you are seeing that is a reverend in Anglican church. In Anglican. One of the Anglican Pentecostal church. You know, we have so many different churches in Nigeria. Now what is happening? I told you that church that are taking money from you, building school, without making it affordable for your son to participate in that school, because you don't have money to afford the school fees. And the pastor or reverend father keep on praying for your prosperity. Believe you me, after building that school and your child could not attend it, if that's your church build an industry that needed someone who read business admin to manage the company, believe you me, they will employ a Muslim who read it. If they don't have anybody in your church that read business admin, they will employ a Muslim, a native doctor that read it to manage the company. Because they know prayer and miracle cannot make you that didn't read business admin to manage the company. But they could not give you access to go to the school you contributed your money so that you could be able to read business admin. This is how you are being brainwashed. I love you from the deep of my heart. Christianity are murderers. They have killed thousands of our life in our society. The same way they are telling you that Jesus can heal sickness is the same way they are telling you that Akwa Okuko is a native doctor, that that you don't need to have any contact with him. That he's an antichrist. That he don't know God of Bible. That Akwa Okuko is devil. That is a demon. Now Akwa Okuko is a billionaire. Now the Christians, an Anglican bishop, send a letter to a native doctor billionaire to come for their anniversary so that they will take money from him. Akwa Okuko, be wise. I'm telling you this as a brother. Don't give them 10 kobo. These people are criminal. Please, use the money you will go and look for the wretched ones in Oba. Go and help the less privileged. Your society. Leave these criminals. Christianity never means anything good for us. Christianity means fraud. Christianity means criminality. The same thing slave masters did. When the slave master have succeeded in coaching our people to enslave us anymore, the reverend father and bishop we are seeing is those that the slave master coached to keep on slaving me and you. That is why they trapped me and you down for years. We have been praying. No change. No change. Now this is a native doctor. These are people who are telling you that native doctor has no power. You should not go there. These are music we are singing in our villages. Now they have invited a billionaire, native doctor billionaire. Did they invite you that goes to money mass? Money must go as every day in Anambra State. Money must go as every day in Enugu. Money must go as in Ebonyi State. These are church leaders, so those who are leading you. Did they come to your house? Wheelbarrow pusher Christians. The youth leader in Anglican Church. Those who are working for Christ in Nigeria, criminals. You are working for Britain. You are working for Europeans. Akwa Okuko, please go to the USA to make your passport standard as well. To improve your passport. But don't give them 10 kobo. They are the one who's supposed to give you. Not you giving them. Okay? They are the one who's supposed to give you, not you giving them. Our people, out of their stupidity, they still go to the United States of America. And I'm suspecting that church that fought that very day. They are the one that invited Akwa Okuko. That Anglican church in the United States of America that fought some weeks ago. They are fighting for who will be the bishop. That they don't need a white man to become their bishop. They fought. They pushed themselves to the ground. And these are people who are telling you that Jesus will fight for you. These are people who are telling you that Jesus will fight for you. But they fought in the Anglican church in America. These are people who have manipulated you to be killed by Fulani herdsmen. These are people who have weakened you not to demand your right from your government. These are people who have weakened you not to believe that your local government chairman is your personal Lord and Savior. These are people who are lying to you not to believe that your senator is your personal Lord and Savior. You have to do everything humanly possible for you to achieve your birthright from your leaders. These are people who are weakening your common sense. With the name of Jesus. These are people who are brainwashing you. The Bible said you should not have any in common with unbeliever. Now, who is Akwa Okuko? Does Akwa Okuko a Christian? Now they're inviting Akwa Okuko because of what? Because he's worthy. The same way they will take money from you and build school, Akwa Okuko's children will be the one to be the first class citizens in that school. They will take money from you to build Catholic school, Anglican school, Pentecostal school in Oba. Akwa Okuko's children will be the first class student there. Because he's a millionaire. And you that contributed money, you will not attend. Licensed criminality in Africa. This to show that Christians, they only need your money. The reason they want you to be sick is so that they will make money from you by selling olive oil to you. Christian leaders will pay us. For our people that they have killed with olive oil, if they refuse to heal people in Nigeria, if they will pay us. And very soon we are going to Abuja, police force to Abuja, to report them. We will deal with them. Christian Association of Nigeria, you guys are murderers. You guys are thieves. You guys have deceived us. You guys have killed us. Well, everything that you guys told us not to do, you guys are doing it. You guys are thieves. Now Akwa Okuko has become a saint to come and do an anniversary with you guys. A juju man, as you people say. Now I will play the video here when this reverend submitted the invitation. They never address Akwa Okuko as a native doctor anymore. The name native doctor. That all of them back as Monsos, all those reverend fathers and Anglican priests are telling you native doctor has no power. Now Akwa is a billionaire. They need Akwa. Akwa is no longer evil to them. Because they need money. Akwa, be careful. Akwa, please. Poor people are dying in your village. Allow this slave in America. Stupid people that built Igbo village, Tondaga Babu. You built Igbo village in America. Tondaga Babu no chaso he Igbo village in America. Tondaga Babu no. You want to create an Igbo village in another man's land. How many Americans have their village in your village? You are stupid. All of you, go and withdraw yourself from Igbo community in America. If they are still practicing Igbo villages in America, are you out of your senses? You build a hut in America claiming to be Igbo village. Why building the hut? You build a local hut. So Igbos are local people. You are mad. You are mad. If they ask you, say, this is how we started. Where is your religion? How we started your religion? Give me that phone. Do you practice how we started in religion? When they ask you the reason why you build a local house as an Igbo village in America, you say, this is who we are before. This is how we started. Why can't you practice your omenana? Omenana, the way your ancestors used this to. Why can't you have a shrine of a mother in America? What is all you need to build shrine in America? Why can't you have a Kwensanok in America? Why can't you have a Dorero in America? All of you are mad, criminals in Africa. You kill my people under my NGO, and I come out to defend my people, and you guys are calling me on phone. Don't I want to be rich? That I should allow our people to keep on dying? That the way that you guys used to do, that I should conduct a 4 days crusade and employ one reverend father that the world are hearing about him, that Nigerians are hearing about him. Because when I say the word, I'm making mistake. Who noticed who Mbaka is in London? Did anybody know that Mbaka is existing in America? Nobody knows them. Criminals in human form. That I should conduct a 4 days crusade, and I will call one reverend father or pastor, that his name is being held very well in Nigeria. That's how you guys used to divide the money. After the crusade is in three places, in 3 portions. Then I will take my own portion. 1 portion will be for expenses, and the 1 portion will be for the reverend. And I, Ezeaku, will use olive oil made for cooking food to sell to a pregnant mother that needs a CT scan machine to know how his baby is sitting in her womb. You guys are criminal. Jesus is a thief. Bible, this is the work of Bible. They will kill you. I told you that those people you are calling daddy in the Lord, these are people that the slave masters have mounted their power upon to enslave you. You go to America, you be the Igbo village. Chineke ga-akpọgọkọ. Chineke ga-akpọgọkọ. Any Igbo village without a mother or hadia, Chineke akpọgọkọ. But soon by any Igbo village in America without you putting a mother, because that is how we started. Chineke criminal that want us to become, that never want to renovate our land and improve our land. You are doing Igbo village in America. Shameless idiots. Hopeless animals in America. Hopeless black race, suffering and smiling. Very soon your kid will abandon you over there. You will die and will be forgotten. Many of them will get married to the Americans, to Mexico, to Jamaicans, and you will come back here empty-handed. You're not talking to Nigeria airport in Munurani. BPA Wogan. Foolish people. Akwa is no longer evil to the Christians. Akwa Okuko is no longer evil. So all those people carrying Bible around, singing Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. Oh, you guys did not see them to invite them. It is Akwa Okuko, a native doctor. Because he's wealthy. He's a billionaire. Akwa Okuko, please, I'm talking to you as a brother. People are dying. There are many people dying today with fibroid in our back. If you are going to America, go there. It will also support your passport. Once you travel to America, you can travel all over the world. Yes, go there. You need to be stamped to America. Don't give them shishi. Take from them. I'm giving you and maybe a good for those, this is one of the popular native doctors in Nigeria. For those who are not from Nigeria, those who cannot hear, understand Igbo, this is the same thing they are doing to you, brother. Because they know that they will make money from Akwa Okuko. They abandoned you, Christians. A good, genuine Christian. They abandoned you not to employ you. Now, because they know they will make money from Akwa. The same way they know that they will make money from olive oil. And that is why they abandoned you not to take you to the hospital. Hospital is the only solution for healing. We have cured more than 5,000 people practically with the normal solution made for it everywhere in the world. I came to save my people and not to stay from them. You are being brainwashed deeply. Deeply hopeless people. They make you hopeless because governments are frustrating us and churches are patronizing government to keep on frustrating us. Churches are helping government to change our brains. The church could not tell us that England, where the Anglican come, that every pregnant mother today in England is being paid by man, by the government. But they told us here that we will deliver like women of Hebrew. What a reverend father will stand on the pulpit. I don't blame them because they were monetized. They were installed by our slave master, by the same white man who killed us. We didn't let it go as a go. Malusi Moon again a pastor going against you. You know? Do you get me? Well, is he leggy? Go as a go. Akwa Okuko, they have employed Akwa Okuko. Now so they go leave Akwa Okuko, they go heaven. No. Jesus go even call Akwa Okuko for heaven. Akwa Okuko won't never believe for your heaven. He they go heaven now. Criminals. Once you become a friend with any Christian in Nigeria, you're a thief. That is why I said I can never take any Christian to the hospital. I can never. I can't. I cannot be a monkey that walk bamboo the church. Come and join us in Omena Nabuze where we speak the truth of Chukwu Kikabiam. You are building Igbo villages in America. Did you build Amado Hadia? Did you build the West Anagaro Bonango? When they ask you, why are you building local houses, local huts in America? Why are you telling America that this is how happened? You will tell me, say, this is how we started. We are remembering our olden days. Do you remember the Arab Bonago? I see what we started with. Do you remember Amado Hadia? Do you install Amado Hadia? You are still brainwashing our people to, instead of renovating, building a standard building there, you are building a hut. It be America. Chineke Pobuogi no snow buogi there. America buogi onye nzuzu. It be American, not bragging, it be American. It be US, it be Texas, nezuzu slave all over the world. Manuno wa be eba, mani hunu ji bi eba makode mandi bo ga aduru namwa. Withdraw yourself from Igbo communities there. With those who are practicing Igbo village, withdraw yourself. Form a new Igbo community of men and abuse. Form a new Igbo community. If you are practicing our tradition, we will know you are practicing. Form a new, remove yourself from anything called Christianity there. If you are an Igbo man, an authentic Igbo man, remove yourself from Igbo community in America. They are all crooks. Form a new men and abuse Igbo community over there. Tradition. Why I told you, if Christians continue leading Igbos, that's why I told you, if you are struggling for Biafra agitation and you are still a Christian, you are nothing but a lunatic. If you are a Christian, if you are a strong Biafra agitator and you are still a Christian, you are nothing but a mumu man. You want nothing. Because you need a Christianity, you need a nation whereby Pope will be giving command in your village. Where Pope will sit in a vertical city that was built with gold and will be giving command to a typical village in Ihamufu where Fulani are killing us. Fulani have never started killing us. They will keep on killing us. Because a black man don't deserve mercy. Now they cannot say that the only language a black man understands is what? Violence. And that is what the Fulani are doing. See, now they cannot be shouting that these people will come and kill us. These people will come and kill us. Did you listen to him? No, he was praying. You was praying, may onuzo kenigwe, may onuzo kandiwe ge bata. Only me hendi from them we amu faba ego. Fado anyway. Bingo. You came on this earth to patronize white man and die foolishly. That is what you are here. Nothing. Work under the code in order to make money to build a house in Africa and die for nothing. You want nothing. Our land is decaying. Our land is decaying. Criminals in human form. I bet 5 million naira. Any Nigerian pastor who can heal a sick one, or who will provide somebody that was diagnosed of a sickness, and after praying for that person, I will give you 5 million with a plot of land. All of you are running. You don't want to become a millionaire, but you are praying for success, to be a millionaire. Criminals. All those people you killed at Newi, our people you killed at Enugu State, in Abia, in Delta State, in Lagos, all of you are going to vomit it out. You guys are going to suffer it. Now, a native doctor is being invited in a church, in a Catholic church, and you claim to be a good Christian. Why can't them invite? That is something olive oil needed to be sold to you as a sick person to make money. What they need is money. Akwa Okuko, please listen to me, brother. Listen to me, brother. Please don't give these criminals money. Remember, your people are dying in teaching hospital. They're supposed to give you. Carry your CR materials today. See vision for them. They are frustrated. They want to make money. They want to make dollars. They need them. They want to become Dangote. Because Jesus giveth words, not common sense. Carry your CR material to America. Carry it to those shameless animals there. Scam them. See the vision for them. Take dollars from them. Make sure you came back with $200,000. We need that money here in Nigeria. Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki, share this video to get to him. Make sure you carry your CR material to them. Because all of them are frustrated over there. Shameless animals, taxi drivers, toilet cleaners over there, taking care of elderly people, working in old people's home, doing one of the most dirtiest jobs on this planet Earth, claiming to be in America. But those who are doing this job in America, believing that the reason why they are suffering is to develop our land, it shall be well with all of you. You guys will never come here. I'm here to represent you guys. You guys will come here to meet something that will give you joy in the life of our people. Even if it is this hospital I'm fighting to open, to be one of the singles that you will come from America, then you will come and take medical checkup free of charge. A black man living in America cannot come to his village, and if anything happens, there is no emergency number to call an ambulance. Akwa Okuko believe Fagaba. Kali see your see material dear. Akwa Okuko, if you come back from America without coming back with the $200,000, Akwa, I will never be happy with you. Do see for them followers of Allah Hafa. Prisoners, black colors. Look at Dubai of yesterday. Doing great. Because the truth started from grassroots. But lies have started from grassroots. If the religion leaders can lie to you, do you think you are going to survive? When Nnamdi Kanu told you that every pastor in Nigeria will go to hell, all of you started attacking him. Lunatics, come to my office and see them dying like animals. Every pastor in Nigeria, that all of them will go to hell, you started attacking him. Because you know anything. Do you know what you know? You are a believer. So you are a believer. Go and ask them why you are inviting Akwa. They will tell you, the Bible said, give Caesar what belongs to Caesar and give God what to be. They claim that Christianity never represents God. What represents God in Igbo land are your tradition, your way of life. Our African tradition religion, our African tradition is people's way of life. You see that way of life of eating food, that food items, that when you eat it as a Nigerian, as a Yoruba tribe, as a Benin tribe, as an Igbo tribe, you will be so comfortable. That is your own way of life. The same way you need to worship your own God. The same way that the ancestor has been exalting God. Without it, you are playing. Without it, you are a slave. Without it, you are a vagabond. Now, it don't gas. It don't gas now. You see what they tell you? Pastor, go they give a fibroid tumor, a stomach tumor woman olive oil for complete 180 years, and I, Ezeaku, will grab the woman and take care of the woman within 2 weeks. And when I'm talking, you'll be talking. Here may be where my brother. Here may be where my only one night working at UK. Maybe go. Murders in the mad. When Akwa Okuko gave Chidumadi case 500,000, I told you can never defeat Christians so with their Bible. That is why I set my own Bible ablaze. Bible is a condemned rubbish criminal book made to enslave Africa, made to keep on encouraging a black man to become lazy and poor, happy, hoping that tomorrow will be better. If you refuse to give a white man his or her right, he will set it ablaze and go to prison. And the other day you will learn not to delay. That is what makes you a man. But here, the Bible will take you to calm down. That Job suffered for 40 years, but now you have only suffered for 15 years. This is what they started to introduce to us when we were 2-3 years. They started installing miracle, hoping how Job has changed, how Job suffered. Is there any Job existing today in the United Kingdom where Job came from? Is there any Job today in Germany suffering, all the family dying, properties dying, losing his kids every day in Germany because Job came from the white man country? Is there any Job today existing in Portuguese? Is there any Job today existing in Italy, in Vatican City? That is why we're supposed to be finding Jobs. You have sold your land to the white men, to lies. They fought in America defending their church, but they will tell you to wait for Jesus to fight for you. If Jesus did not guide the city in Africa, securities are doing for nothing. Pastor. It's in there with job, maybe 7:30 with his boom. Can you travel with a good car from Nnewi to Aba? You are afraid because they have eaten you. They don't brainwash. I am going to play the video here. This is the video where they brought the invitation to Akwa Okuko. I am going to read the letter. You will see how Akwa Okuko has been addressed as a no more native doctor. See the language they used to address Akwa Okuko. No longer chief, what is his real name? Somebody, if I'm not mistaken, Wangu. If I'm not mistaken. No longer Chief Wangu. They are a native, no longer native doctor. Akwa Okuko is not even up to 25 years. A small boy of yesterday. Because he's a billionaire. But you should know that Akwa Okuko, even in the church, you have been going to church before Akwa was born. Now Akwa has been invited to United States of America, where they pray for Jesus, give you visa. That is why I told you, you don't need prayer to survive. What you need to survive is common sense. Akwa have used common sense to be wealthy right now by fooling so many of you, of course. Now he have joined a standard business by building hotels. He believed that hotel will earn him standard money and genuine money. He no longer believes in juju to make juju and make himself rich. Now he have joined a normal business that the world are surviving with by taking from you and build hotel and giving you okay. You guys are mugu. Now Akwa Okuko of 20-something years ago. Now US is looking for Akwa. Akwa is no longer looking for visa US. But you living in poverty in Africa where you don't need government to give you money, you are looking for visa. I don't need a visa. Jesus! Jesus! Sorry, my people. Okay, I say, make a choice, man. They put me. Religion. No more. Jesus! No more. No more. No more. An edgy gauge. What they do, Juju, they carry invitation giver. If you change the name from native doctor to another sweet name, now that they hear the name, what they answer now. So if you call Akwa Okuko native doctor again, me and you go fight. Now me and you, anybody that will call Akwa Okuko native doctor again, the fight will be between. Look at, listen to the name given to Akwa Okuko now. Listen, no more native doctor. Listen, they will kill you. If I want to, these people are criminals. Murdering my people in my NGO every day. I say people that has been going to church for years, but when I follow the due process, they will be saved. Now, Akwa make money. Akwa don't need prayer to. They want Akwa to give them cash. Akwa bonyo abana. I only them miracle. Ha, Akwa na bambu. Akwa bonyo them miracle. Akwa be wale give me. Akwa. Obo na hanye ge mic force. I where 10 billion. How do I worry the money? Or are you the one to give Americans or you living here? American. If you are an Igbo community in America and you are still following them after they display this thing, and those who are on top of Igbo communities in America might be Christians. So they are Christians, I know. If you are a member of, if you believe where you come from, come back from there. Form a men and Igbo communities in America. Form it. That is what happened in my community. I lead my community as a youth leader for 3 months. For 3 months, and I put on electricity. I was street light from my Jago village to Mudesu. Within 3 months, they make me a leader, their leader. A street light that have never existed there since the world start to exist. Since Reverend Fathers has been coming to St. Paul Catholic Church in my village. Anglicans with their coach everywhere. And every Reverend Father that came in my society, they buy a new car, Jeep, for him. But under 3 months, they make me their leader. I started fixing street lights under my leadership within 3 months. Within that 3 months, I burnt my Bible. They chased me away. They said they don't need me anymore. I am going to show the video of those electricity. It's still on the street of my village. Now they say they don't need me anymore. Within 3 months, they made me their leader of youth. I conducted a peaceful protest. I called the demand youth. I called the Robo youth and that be youth. I hosted them in Rema's Hotel on Soka. I spent my money. I hosted them. We were conducting I conducted a peaceful protest that we need to send about 2608 lorry to our village to convey all our women and men to the government house to cry to Governor why. Tell him that Fulanis are kidnapping us. Tell him that the road we are applying need to be built because he's our brother. That is what we are telling. That is what we are planning. They shut everything down. Now there is no the only street light shining in that community, in that major road community, unless those who put their own personal way in their compound. The only street light in that my community major road, the one I put. Then after those ones I put, everywhere be darkness. Fulani can meet you there, kill you like animal. Fulani never start to kill you. They stopped me. Now I now form a men and a youth. I now form a men and a booze Robo youth. They are coming to my house on tour. You know? I now form it. So all of you living in America, form for me. I want to see Igbo community tradition in America as soon as possible, without wasting of time. Withdraw yourself from Christian. If you are not supporting, do you want to tell me how many bishops do we have in Enugu State? But people are being murdered. We have a great bishop at Ensoka. We have Bishop Onaga. We have great bishops in Enugu. And people are not killing us. They cannot come out, turn the rope on their waist and fight for those that are being murdered. These are people that contributed money to build the church. They are being killed by the Fulani herdsmen. What have they done? Don't you know that religion leaders has great power? If Nnamdi Kanu can shut 5 states down, religion leaders can shut the whole Nigeria down. And people will obey. Keep giving them your money. What they need is your money. Jesus has everything, but he don't have money. Jesus has everything, but he needs money to survive. Jesus needs money to survive. Jesus is all and all in Africa, but he needs money to survive. Look at the letter. They are reading the letter given to Akwa. Listen to the name given to Akwa. No more native doctor. Yeah.
So, for this letter, the Anglican Church of Nigeria, Office of the Rector and Director of Missions, December 20, 2022. Chief Chidozie Mam, spiritual leader, Akwa Spiritual and Traditional Medicines of Anambra State, Nigeria. The actual way of
traditional medicine. They put it in traditional medicine, no longer native doctor. Let me revive it back. Traditional medicine, no longer native doctor.
The Anglican Church of Nigeria, Office of the
Anglican Church of Nigeria,
December 20, 2022. Chief Chidozie Mam, spiritual leader, Akwa Spiritual and Traditional Medicines of Anambra State, Nigeria. The actual
Akwa Spiritual and Traditional Medicines, no longer native doctor. Akwa Spiritual and Traditional Medicine. When they hear them, no, Akwa Okuko is no longer a native doctor. He is now a traditional and spiritual traditional medicine. The leader of traditional medicine. They are inviting Akwa to give him a word of Okite in Igbo land. A word of doing Okite so that an Igbo man will lead the whole world. A word of doing Okite to release Nnamdi Kanu from prison. A word of doing Okite so that there will be electricity in every community in Igbo land. A word of doing Okite to Igbo communities, Igbo youths. Christianity are evil. Christianity is evil. Okay, and the thing they make our yokwema. I don't know if you have encountered 419 before. A 419 will come to a meeting in Anambra. He will tell you that he came from Togo, that he don't have Nigeria currency. Please, where can I change my currency? Now, anybody following him, one of his colleagues will come and meet you. What is this guy telling you? You will explain to the guy. They will tell you, oh, let's chop this guy Mugu. Now, this guy don't know anything. We can make money from the guy. Now, they will corner you one side. After cornering you one side, they will use a chemical. They will put a water, just it's not even a chemical, on a small bottle water. This is 419. Now they will put original money inside the water, inside a bucket full of water. Now, when you are neighbor, you have to see back. And the piece. When you are we are not here daddy. Now, do you get me? Now, when they put the original money, maybe 1,000 into 4, I'm giving you now. Everything I'm telling you is with fact and evidence. Now, they will put original 1,000 inside bucket of water. Now, they will show you a paper carved like money. 4 notes as well. Now, you don't know that there is original money inside that water. Now, they will hide those pepper. Some of them will even press it at the back of the bottled water. They are trying to, they will show you, see, this is pepper. Now, they have already put in that original money inside the water. Now, they will show you, do you see that this is 4 pieces of pepper? Yes. 4 pieces of pepper, yes. Now, they will hold it like this. Put it inside the, hold it like this with the thing. They pour it. That thing they claim that is chemical. They pour it inside the bucket. And they will put their hand inside the water. Started doing it like this. When they were doing it like this, they are holding this one, searching for that original money. Now they will grab the original money and leave this one inside the water. And they will bring 1,000 into 4. They don't brainwash you. They don't chop you. Now they will demand for chemical. Now that chemical they pour there is what makes that money to, makes that pepper to change to money. Now they will be searching for money to go and buy chemical. They will tell you that they need to buy chemical. Do you get me? But see, get kidney failure, what the name? But see, get heart problem. But see, get infection. E.g. treat to get water. But see, get low sperm count. What an miracle. When you low sperm count, when you get a blood bank, I think sperm called him. Stop claiming those rubbish Christian now. If you are having a low sperm count, take your wife to sperm bank. Let the doctors inject sperm on her body. Let her get pregnant. Stop claiming what Bible. What you need is a baby. Anything that forms a baby through your own approve is raw. Is your baby. The one I condemn is by doing it without your conscience. But once you approve it, let them take sperm from blood bank, sperm bank. Fix on your wife private part. Now your wife will conceive. Why are you wandering in the street looking for baby? This is what they are doing to you. They have invited Akwa Okuko. They never leave you. You tell you say Christianity is not for you, Charlie boy. You tell you say Christianity is not for you. They never leave you. Go carry Akwa Okuko. They don't leave you. Go carry Akwa Okuko. Educate kings one them. You have seen what we are passing through. They don't leave for every Christian. Go carry Akwa Okuko. Invite Akwa Okuko. Chief traditional medicine. No longer native doctor. They don't want to use the name native doctor anymore. It's not traditional medicine. I love you guys, but you don't know. I love your kids because I know that so many kids dying here. I don't want your baby to die out of ignorance because I know what it is for 9 months. One day, for someone getting high fever and you didn't rush that baby to the hospital at any time, that baby will die and will be forgotten. If your baby is suffering from hole in the heart, take the baby to hospital. All she need is what? Surgery to close the heart. No prayer helps it. Jesus is meant to take, to take the glory that belongs to you as a human. Just what you can do as a common sense in Africa. No, it's not Jesus that did it. This is what I'm telling you. Only this land I'm standing knows how I love you, how I want you guys. I want you to be in a good life. I try to give you and these are native doctors. Everybody is cursing every day. And I call every day. No, they're mal. I go from the pastor and I cure. Now they have invited him to US. Akwa Okuko, please. I'm pleading. Go to US. Don't give them shish. If Christians are still leading you in Igbo community, in United States, Christians chase me out of our youth leader as a youth leader in our village. I have to form a men and enroll a men and a youth, and we are doing great. And offer not only from after forming it, I offer them 1 plot of land. I gave them 1 plot of land. As I told you, provide a crippled person you heal that will give you 5 million with a plot of land. No longer 1 million, 5 million. Didn't you guys see the plot of land I gave to the women and youth in my village? Didn't you guys see it? Didn't you? You saw it. Will illiberalism allow you to reason? Will your stupidity allow you to reason? Would you expect that? Yes, I'm still expecting. We're expecting the Lord. You have been expecting the Lord since I was born. You have no electricity. And when we talk about electricity, say it is a worldly things. Then what are you doing here in the world? The air you are breathing is not worldly things. The shit where they shit every morning, not the worldly things. They shit them for heaven. Why you go toilet? Why do you go to toilet? Going to toilet is worldly things. Why do you urinate? Urinating is worldly things. Oh, you take water. Drinking one of water is not a worldly things. Mugus, claiming to be in diaspora. Those I'm talking to know. Criminals. Bamboos are monkeys in Africa. If you don't una shame, they shame me. This so tobu. When you're Nigerian, a Nigerian person who is living where there's no electricity, we open ministry. A person where they're abroad with a tap. Get the one where they do what God cannot do does not exist. God cannot come and off this Facebook. And it says Facebook is existing. God cannot come and take your bath. Taking bath exists. God cannot come and switch off the electricity in your house. It exists. Switching off it exists. Useless entities using God to defend their ignorance and stupidity. The Chukwu Okikadem we're talking about is whom gave birth to us, whom we are practicing, working hard to become like him. So this stupidity is what you want to use and train this generation. Lying to them. Making them to believe in fallacies. Now they have left you behind. They have left you behind. Where are the good Christians fighting me? They don't carry Akwa. They don't, Jesus don't invite Akwa to the US. When Akwa gave money to Oche, they still carry the Bible. Bible say all the blessings of the Gentiles shall come to the Christian. If you give them money, they go say you are a Gentile. Akwa, Ruokite, Usuike, Nabaheg, where are I be a Ruokite? Nataba Fego, and the Bible in Jesus. What of it? Cause on keep doing juju for them, keep taking their money. They want to bear the name Onwa Omelola. Omelola, and I want to ask you as Omelola as Igbo. Are you Omelola? Afago Bemelola as a black man. Omelola in English simply means someone who is doing for everyone. What have you done for everyone on this? What have you done to develop Japanese? In Omelola. You bear the name Omelola as an Igbo person. What have you done to Spain? Something. Slaves. Omelola me bogdi. Not a slave in a Omelola. Those who are supposed to answer this name Omelola are the Chinese. Chinese are the number one Omelola. Not only Omelola, Osilola. Chinese has done. Chinese, it is this why I have this cutting here. You have it in your house as a Nigerian. That is Omelola. They never leave you for Lagos. Ebukobi will soon invite Akwa Okuko. Watch and see. Zion Ministry, Ebukobi. Ebukobi will. That is why Mbaka want to scam Peter Obi and Peter Obi which. Mbaka don't care whether Peter Obi is a good Christian or not. All he needs is your money. When I was there when Mbaka invited the Northern and South Muslim came to the altar, Mbaka was saying that this altar belongs to Buhari in my presence. In my presence, the Muslim came. That this altar belongs to them. I was in that first night in adoration when Mbaka told me to go and vote for Buhari. That good luck Jonathan and his fellow Christian is a bad luck. Is there anything different by Mbaka condemning good luck and presenting Buhari? Is there anything from these people leaving you beside and go and invite Akwa Okuko? We have some evangelists here who are fighting the work of Jesus. Why can't they invite them? They need money. Mbaka wants you to vote money because he don't collect money. Come and join this Omena Nabuseso. You know? Please, Akwa Okuko, do not give them 10 kobo. Do not. I want to save you, but I don't know. That's you. Look. Tell them, my son. Wafa. Tell them. Wabafa. How many years? 7 years. Now, Wafa.
19 years. But you're not prison. No go by generator. No boy, no go on there for 6 years. No mercy.
And the same people will say tell you if somebody slap you here, make you turn here, make they slap you. Is that not scam?
It's the Bible, say no. Hey, I think I'm open to this thing.
Chapter 10.
Chapter 10, verse 2. You will be see. He said, the Lord said, it was like, Mathias the Lord. It was like, Lord said, it was like.
Speaking in tongue. A graduate to 40 years old man. Now, actually, what my son, thank you. Thank you. You are going to do this work. You are powerful. Give me 5. The powerful. You see, can you forget. Catch them young. Look at what my I have never failed. Tell him to come and, oh, if I'm speaking, let him say. He just said it out. The 10 I was even surprised.
Jesus is not your father. Go and fire your best. Go and fire your brother. Jesus is not your brother. Go and fire your brother. Please now. Go and fire your brother. This one is not please. Everybody is dying. It's not. It's so G. It's so jam away for it. We collecting money. When people are dying.
They don't care. All they need is this money. They are taken from Akwa Okuko. All they need is this money they need from Akwa Okuko. Mbaka now don't need 31st night in America because nobody will give him his money. But he need you to do 31st night because we give him your money. The reason why Mbaka is not going to do 31st night program in America is because nobody is going to give him his or her money. But the reason why he will do it in your village because you need feeding something. Because you need the money. But what do you mean you need from Jesus? Tell me one thing you need from Jesus.
If you get cancer, you call Jesus to come and help you. Come Jesus to come and help you. Well, how can Jesus come and help you? If you not come and say, check it out, oh, and say, Lord said, come down and bless everybody. You shake you. By the time you get cancer, you die. You have common sense. You have how many people are in the hospital now? Every road is not good. Every day, accident. Every blessed day, accident. Why? Road is not good.
If my son, I'm going to cause accident when the road is no good.
Every day, accident, full everywhere. So if you just come now, and you say, as you know, you start to pray. By the time you get cancer, and my dad will leave you and you die, and they can get me from me down.
Mama, guess to see what they're answering. I never knew I know because I met of Zingeta. Kiddy. Those Momo people.
Yeah. Any person that say, look. May thunder on this crash your body, or may you have motor accident.
Those who are killing our people, he said, I support your prayer. Those who are killing our people will cause them. My son is seeing what I'm passing through. He is seeing what I'm passing through.
Anybody that shouts Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire, and walking in the road. I curse you. Maybe you die in an accident.
He said,
Die anywhere.
He said,
Shoot you, God.
He said, he said, we don't need them anymore.
You carry Bible like this. Shake it back. You can shake it back. You see, my brother, do you know what Jesus said? Is this Bible? Be shaking. Bible be shaking it like this. Bible be flying, shaking it like this. Bible, this is Bible. Open to chapter 10, verse 2. Open it. If you read it, you don't know what you are reading. And if it's you that said that thing, because maybe that motor accident.
He said because they are killers.
Those people that kill those people that make our baby to fall through die. I curse you. Maybe die in motor accident.
He said,
And what I'm saying, I'm sure what I'm saying. And people can do it, and you fall.
He said one now.
Nobody will help you. Nobody will help you.
Those who don't want us to survive, nobody will help them. He said.
They will not take you to hospital. In fact, if you die in motor accident, they will be seeing you. They will not give you anything.
They will be saying what?
They will be saying those that say that thing. Some are saying that dear. That church. They said, they're so. Anybody and he's begging Jesus.
Ụmụaka ma charge kwa nna natawa na ndị ya na-abụ ọnụ bụ ndị isi mere ha ji ekpuri ihe natawa ndị a bụ ụmụnne anyị ndị anyị ga na-abụ ọnụ bụ the cause, those who caused them to be doing that.
What I saw in that place when we are coming to church. All of them, I tell them don't be quiet.
Ụmụaka eyikwa m egwu n'abalị a.
When you said Maria,
Ekene, do you have anything to say?
My accident.
Those who are introducing us to Maria, they are so. Let them die, because look at what is happening here. Those you introduced to Prince Maria, they are so. Did you invite them for this occasion in US? But you're inviting a native doctor, whom you are telling us that we should not have anything in common with.
Okay, choose one in this one. If you want me to come in your house, and bought all the house, just choose one. If you want me to put resin in your house, I'll do it. Just do one.
In there, they are water, juju water, na mumu water, na. In that
place,
they will put it.
Or you want me to burn down your Bible? Choose one. I should collect all your children and go to the police station to lock them, and it will be angry.
Namubuto.
I must do it. Not go
Ise Nabuto. Yet those enzu buto na natawa. Ekwenu manya okwa ka ifo asụkwa na nwa ewu na-ata agbara nne ewu na-ata agbara ụmụ ya na-ene ya na-ekwe na ihe nwa m nwoke na-ekwu n'abalị ya dịkwa m very surprised, very very surprised. I mean what the fugia, you know, very very surprised. Beggars na ka ịgọlụ ka ole ndị niile na-amela anya ya na-ata afọ fancha niile ga-amụcha.
Some they put a lie in the hospital. Some they put a lie in the hospital and they beg him Maria. Who killed all these people?
Jesus is not giving me.
Who killed all some their mother they are in the hospital and their father that's in the hospital, even their children. Do you know, sometimes if they go to that church, they put Jesus there. They'll be begging. They'll say, Maria, yes. They'll be shouting it, be shouting it. One man say, hey, those reading this thing, they still be confused. Then they're begging, finish begging. Good. They be snapping the picture of the children with their phone.
They will be begging.
Yes.
With their eyes closed.
Yes. Look at it, there. Look at it. Hey, that thing got to my heart. I just said, let me just tell my dad. Because one man was telling them to stop doing that thing. That thing to your mother. You see, he's doing like this and be begging for Maria. Jesus was even there. After now, you start to see Jesus, dance.
Nah, just no lana. Oh, it's okay. Una mego program nke mboda. Let's sit down. They will never go unpunished. So you see what is happening. Nollywood really promote Jesus. Liars in our land. You know, say my kids what they are talking. See now they are bitter because they know that all those things are rubbish. Una try go jen nolana. Let's continue. Akwa Okuko has been invited to USA. Where are you on your Bible? Yeah, God, they don't know. They didn't receive. Akwa Okuko never go crusade, though. He never go receive, but that is why Chinese don't need prayer. Chinese don't need prayer for you to come and patronize them. No. They don't need prayer for you to patronize them. No, it is you that need prayer so that they will not close their border. They have seen the light. No, Donovan is okay. You guys have talked so too. Make create a Facebook platform. Okay, create a Facebook so that you will be educating your kids. Okay, we'll create a Facebook platform for you guys. Maybe that one will be Men and a Family, or you can use your names for Men and a Kids. Yeah, so Men and a Kids. Understand? Maybe you guys will be having even some live chat. Some kids in America, some kids in Europe. You guys will be coming on live like this, communicating. Okay. So my people, let us wake up. Akwa is going to church in America. But you dying for Jesus here, they didn't invite. Millions of you has been looking for American visa. Akwa has gotten the opportunity without prayer. Akwa has gotten the opportunity without prayer. I know how many times I will abandon this kid. 3-4 days here. without going to a business that will give me 500,000, but going to save a life. Giving you an automatic command this night as a member. If you are with Igbo village or Igbo Union in America, and you, as the leaders of that Igbo Union, are still Christian, withdraw yourself from there and form Igbo Union in America. So that if you want to build Igbo village, then you build it, you put Amado, put Arabana, put everything that is being used to know Igbo. If you are telling me that the reason why you built a hot house there as Igbo village is to remember the olden days, build everything that was in the olden shrine should be there. Amado will be there. After building Igbo village, you put Jesus in there. You put cross. Somebody leading you in that Igbo village, become a Christian. Shame on you. Christian, when they shame us. Some of Christians watching me now even feel ashamed of themselves. When I get boogie now, fair bugo no go follow Dibia. Hala bugo get follow Dibia. Hala bugo they never leave you. Mumuma. They never leave you. They don't leave you. And then I drop visa. That is why I told you, if we have everything here, we'll be living fine. And I have what it takes now for him to be invited. I don't need prayer to go to America. He has been invited. Even if I want to go to America without them invited, once he presents his bank account in the embassy, they will give him visa. Because he has what it takes. What the American needs. For them to issue a visa. If I go to any embassy, the only his statement of account, brother, they will issue him a visa in any embassy. What about you? Akwa, please, don't give them any dime. If some people want to contribute, let us have 1 or 2 contributions and close. You can only call on WhatsApp 32795016. And the major people I want to call is people living in Nigeria. So if you are living in Nigeria watching us, please call this number 32795016. I am only going to receive 4 calls, then I will close for today. Akwa has been invited. And you, Christian, has been abandoned. Is this not what I'm fighting for long? Is this not what I have been fighting for long? To let you know that you are brainwashed. If you are an Igbo man and you are still with Igbo village or Igbo society in any diaspora, being headed by a Christian, form Igbo Union, Omenana, whom you are, any state where you are living in the whole world. If you are living in Lagos and you have an Igbo community in Lagos, and the leader of that Igbo community is a Christian, quit from today, quit right now. Don't kill yourself. You are in short, you're not a Uru slave. You are still a slave. The slave masters are still ruling you. Any slave that you're an Igbo community or Igbo, we must separate ourselves from them. We must. Why can't we separate ourselves from them? If you are living in Aba and you have an Igbo meeting there, anywhere you are living in Igbo land, and the Christians are the leader of that Igbo meeting, remove yourself from there. Did what I did. I formed my own Menana. Where is my phone? Get me my second phone. Let me show you the WhatsApp group. Let me show you the WhatsApp group. Brother phone. Can I ring the phone boy? Connect that one.
Get this one.
You see by yourself. They live in dark. They pursue me. Who gave them light? And they decided to live in darkness till date. That is the work of Christians. That is what they will do you there. In that Igbo Union, they will never discuss anything to promote Igbo land. Rather, you guys will contribute some money to go and build a church in Africa. But I potassium and fat. I give you to these people. If any pastor will get the pastor arrested, beat the pastor with the law, with Nigerian law. The whole world are practicing freedom of worship, but to Nigerian Christians refuse. They allow the traditionalists 1 minute a week. Keep on tagging us evil. When somebody die because of a kidney failure, you tag us evil. I'm giving you this job. Start conducting Igbo community everywhere you are. Come out from any Igbo community that you are being led by any Christian. These people are criminals. Criminals. Criminals in human form. There's even people every day and night. Riene rinde mwado mugu. Omena na buze ezoku. Mrobo nobu youth. Omena na. Look at it here. No, this person is calling direct call. I don't need direct call. I need only WhatsApp call. So let me show you. I practice what I preach. Look at it. Noble youth. Nrobo. Where I came from is called Nrobo. Look at Nrobo. Look at Nrobo. Let me bring the name. Okay. Look at it here. Nrobo Noble Youth Omenana. Have you seen it? Nrobo Noble Youth Omenana. Yes. Because they choose darkness. I left them. Now I created Nrobo Noble Youth Omenana. Can you see us here? After creating this, I dashed them one plot of land in my village. A land I bought with my money. Not the one I inherited from my dad. I bought it with my money. I bought it with my money and give it to them. That's why I told you, if you bring anybody that was healed, we are claiming that we are following these people as hunters. And they love the animals that were supposed to be hunting and started hunting us. The only thing we need is money to survive. Look at Akwa Okuko. He has gotten free invitation because he has money. That's what I'm telling you. The only problem you have in Africa is what money can solve. That is why they denied you government that will give you the money. They denied you the government that's supposed to give you the money. They gave you Jesus. After dying in poverty, 60, 70, you couldn't make anything. You changed the music, say, Abogodo no wajum, Jesus agajum, me Messiah. Abogodo no wajum, Jesus agajum. You are doomed forever. You are doomed forever. Poverty is all over you. I want people living in Nigeria to call. Those who are living in Nigeria to call. Hello, good evening. One and Walker, good evening. I only need callers from Nigeria. Callers from Nigeria. From Nigeria. Only those living in Nigeria, I want you to call for today. Today's program, the callers I need is those who are living in Nigeria, fighting me. Suleiman abandoned Jesus and go and buy private bulletproof. The same way these people abandoned Christian now and went and employ a worker. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Your name and where you are calling from, sir? Oh, what is happening now? The same way Suleiman abandoned Jesus and the employer, man-made bulletproof. He abandoned Jesus. The same way they have abandoned you, Jesus followers, and employ a native doctor. Offer the native doctor free. Do you know what it is? An invitation. giving invitation for someone to come to America. Free of charge. Man, these people, when they're not going to get one of them, no, they go. Hagwalam no nenyego. Hagwalam no nenyego. Nwebia no bule zoku. Hagwalam no nenyego. Se kandali kandane nowa. Hagwalam no nenyego. Hagwalam no nenyego. Nwebia no bule zoku. Jesus, hagwalam ni nenyego. Denyezego na Akwa Okuko. Akwa Okuko anolo ni nenyego. Anyị n'olu niile nyego akwa ahụ. Kwa anyị n'olu niile nyego. Anyị bịa n'ọbụla eziokwu akwa. Ọ na-enye ego akwa ahụ. Ọ na-enye cash. Ọ na-enye cash. Akwa niile nye ego. Ha gwara anyị na Jizọs na-enye ego. Ha chọwa akwa. Ha rapụrụ Jizọs. Chọwa akwa ọkụkọ n'ezie. For Jesus onye riri ifugo. Ọ na-enye ego, ọ na-enye ego. Ọ na-enye ego. Ọ na-enye ego. Jizọs anyị nụrụ na ị na-enye ego. Nwachukwu kpọbịa. Ọ ga-enye gị ego. O nyere Sela ego. In the time of Moses, he gave Moses money. He asked Moses to open the belly of the fish. And Moses opened it, and there was money. Hey, where are those fish that swallowed your money? Begin to pray. Jesus, hanorom ni nenyego. Hanorom ni nenyego. Hagwalam ni nenyego. Mwebia n'ọbụla okwasi. Okwasi. Oh, Kwasio, Kwasio. Oh, Kwasio. Hello, good evening. Let me send you the number you will call on WhatsApp so that your voice can be louder. Okay? Jesus, agwala ini nenye ego n'ọba. Agwala ini nenye ego n'ọba. Agwala ini nenye ego. Awabia no bulu kwasi. O kwasi. Oh kwasio. Oh kwasio. Kwasio. Jesus oh nyo kwasi. Hello, good evening. Hello. Awabia no bulu kwasi. Ga-egbu na agwa na bosa ga-egbu ga ala for gị. Egbugo gị na. Egbugo no, they don't forget you now. Go carry akwa. They go US. They sabi you. Jesus amonye. Hello. Good evening, sir. Your name and where you are calling us from?
Okay, my name is Igbo from Abakaliki.
You are calling from Abakaliki right now?
Yes, I'm in Abakaliki right now.
The Christians Association Church in US invited a native doctor in Igbo land to come and abandon those who goes to morning mass. What do you have to say about it?
I'm so shocked to hear such. I watched you in the afternoon. In fact, it was shocking to hear it. This has shown them that the so-called Christians are brainwashed. So I think this is a typical example. I think to open some of them eyes to know what you are talking about. So they have realized that, in fact, me personally, I've been following your program since. So these
people who did this thing, can then build school to help the poor and leave the rich one?
You said?
People who did this thing now, can they establish a school now to help the poor, if not building it for the benefit of the rich one?
Don't mind them. They cannot do anything to benefit the poor masses. So that is the problem I have with the so-called Christians. So in fact, they have done a lot of things. Mongwa.
If you gonna remember any evil heart against you, have you seen it?
My brother, you are doing well. You are doing a great job.
Thank you.
The Almighty Chukabiyama will keep.
Thank you.
Blessing you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Keep on with the good work.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
The God of our ancestors will surely help you.
Yes, sir.
To accomplish the goal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We are with you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, right on, sir.
Thank you. Hello, Maz. Good evening.
Good evening, Maz.
Your name and where you are calling from?
Okay.
Maz, ala pụrụ ndị a na-eje money Maz mee native doctor employee ka ọ bịa support our church in America. Nye free invitation.
Na akwa mbata kịta ka mfere program nya bụ ihe dukwu ọmụnwe egwu n'anya dukwu ọmụnwe ọnụ ịma na ofu ya na-agakwa ihe ha na-adụ eme na banza ọnụ mgbe anyị nwaka na-eme chọọchị afụkwada ihe na-enye ji ego ọkwa onye na-eso na-ata afụ na chọọchị mebi na ọjọọ sọ bata afụ na oji ego eme ya n'isi mee ihe niile arafuzie ndị nwaso onye aka na chọọchị ekwesịghị ime ya so ndị amadi ha na-eme everything.
Ndị alụọ skuulu n'ọba kịta ọ dị gị ka nwa m na-agaghị agụ nwunye ọgwa nwa akwa ọkụkọ ha ịbụ na ha nwee target ndị ha na-alụrụ skuulu a akwa ọkụkọ obi kụbana ike kụbana ihe niile ji ego n'ọba ọ target ha
ndị amanye ha na-eme ndị ihe esigodu na ọnụ mmiri onye bada nke esiri nke ya kpochi na police station ihe ejigodu n'ọnụ mmiri amalụ mana ndị ha ncha amachi ha na-eme ihe
a ya motivate kudu miti ya arụ na case that small boy
ndị amanye ha na-eme
ihe a kịta menu ga-emotivate kudu miti ya ezigbo arụ na case the boy can you from him
because anything ga-eme woman possible anyị nwapụ ndị fans ga-adọkwu support ihe na-adụzi anyị mma n'obi eziokwu a ga-abụ na-ekiri gradis na-enwe anwụrị I don't know.
Ikwetego na omenala be nna gị n'ịkwụwa akọta bụrụ ife alụ
ka mgbe ụwa ọ bụlazi taa onye ọna na-ekwu ihe ekwu okwu chọọchị n'akụkụ m nakwa ofusi akụ
ya gaziele gị n'eke gaziele gị n'oye gaziele gị n'afọ gaziele gị na nkwọ ebe ọ bụ na ịzọrọ ọkpa ka ife dị ebe ahụ ebe isi akpata ife ị na-eli ife akụ ife enwe na-eke na oye na afọ na nkwọ site n'aha Chukwu okike abịa daalụ ọ ya adịrị gị na mma daalụ omekwana na omenana ome akwa ya eso n'ọgbawa egwu ndị ụka ebe a omekwana na omekwana na ome Osinachi Nwachukwu asa na ome Paul na-echa na nwaanyị n'ọkpa na-abụ na-eri unu mugbo ewere ụla ma Osinachi je nwa na mọchụ ụla ka eji magbo Osinachi Nwachukwu ndewo maazị nwa Chineke kedu ihe ị mụtara n'ihe mere taa chọọchị rapụrụ ndị na-eje money mass mee native doctor invite
my brother ọnụọdụmọnụokwu atọ ọnụrọ m ọnụokwu wee gbara ya visa onye nwa wetakwara leta na-akọwara ya ya enyere ya aka file na ọnụọdụmọnụokwu atọ
ọgwụfụgị ndị a na-eme anyị mgbe ha enye gị Helen dị ri enye gị ya nwanne otu aka ha sikwu ezowu n'ọgwụ n'ezie gị Helen free akwa na dị ka hospital maka akwa ji ego o nwere ife achọ otu a ka ụlọọgwụ si jide ife achọ Akwa is just like hospital. Hospital have what it takes to cure the sick. Now the church have to hide the hospital from you, the poor, and give you olive oil free. Now they have taken Akwa and they give you Jesus free. Prayer free. To pray. Can we pray? Begin to warm up. Any power, any native doctor, holding you. Any native doctor, in Oba, in Newi, holding your destiny. Destroy by fire. Now, the prayer don't change you. Now pray, can we pray? And look at the prayer of Anglican Church now in New Jersey. Any native doctor, in Oba, anything that will block him, not to come to this America to support our project. Die by fire. Anything, bad, evil that will happen to Akwa Okuko, destroy by fire. Anything that will make Akwa not to be alive and come this program. Oh, you are the God of native doctor. You are the God of native doctor. Remember when the Ishmael was moving, they saw a native doctor on the road. Oh Lord, you said, you are the God that gave it life. And the native doctor came and saved them. We commit our native doctor in this prayer. Akwa was speaking in tongue. Akwa man is the Holy Ghost fire. No, here game is not Akwa man be die by fire. And I live Akwa. If you need America, Bulu Okola Fagi, Akwa ne make mistake. Ije Dubai Bulu Eja Wafa. Why they do mistake? We have freedom of worship in abroad. In abroad, we have freedom of worship. Carry your Ife Jabafa. Go to USA. Carry Ife Jabafa. Go to USA. Understand? Please. Hello, Chisom. Mbedoma. If we are men, when you see those and a man and a boozy, so we'll go on here. One them. Dalo.
2023, IGU apụta.
Ise?
IGU apụta 2023. Ọ bụ na ha pụtara
Ise nwa Chineke. Ise. Ngwanụ. Ise. Ọ bụ na ha ekwetara, anyị ga-ekwetara. Hello. Mgbede ọma, afa gị na-ebe isi akpọ. Your name and where you are calling from, Maazị.
Hello.
Your name and where you are calling us from.
Okay, it's Ababo.
Thank you. Thank you. If we are na Anglican Church time. What was your opinion?
When you have what is needed, your attention will be needed.
Okay.
Okay, Watago. When you have what is needed.
No. Oh, you got one eye as from me a lot of things in Mendo.
So that is just the stuff. Watago. Imana, some people were telling him after now they carry a lead or go up second in command. In an evening,
Gawani Lumaz.
after now they can go up second in command in a league. Some people water. Imana you to I am mayor who want 5 million. Only and Zina or no Omega Golf Manando. Only on your own arm on average, whom younger arm in future.
Child.
What I am now bagging.
Child.
Only you to him mayor who want 10 million. Open no go they go. Oh, now working is you go what a 10 million. Oh, now working is Moanya Barry. Guy who HK meta 10 million. What I go. Like I make a program from 2019 or putting header. Like I have solid followers. What I go. All the guy in the Cuba selling her church. Some Christian people know here now. I mean, he knew. Okay, what I go. Oh no, when the Yahoo not to war. Hey, my boss. My format and they follow you up. The ways you will Bible follow Christianity up.
Yes. Hello. Ndewo. So it's time we wake up. Hey, Mezugon, here maybe. Daily. Begin to kick Satan. America correct when stop, but they have what power? No, Japanese are blowing Satan every day. Who is the Satan? The same black person. Kacha jireji fotela ifoma. Ihe akpopekwe brain na. Na go ekwa Akwa Okuko n'ofo. Okpoli ife afia ji America. Nata nke ha ji ebe a. Nkwu ọbụla ọ ga-ekwe ebe ọma mmezu ya n'eke n'afọ na nkwụ n'oge ọma nye hete nkobo ọfọfọ n'ide mmiri ka onye ide mmiri ka ọwa n'ide mmiri ka mụnwa nọkwụ n'aka nzu onwere ihe ọ na-eji enye erefe gaị ego ụmụ Igbo banyị tata n'afọ nye wee je nye ndị ọcha Akwa don't sponsor slavery in our land. Go America, they're supposed to give you. They tell them there is a lot of poor peoples. When in your office, I'm from Kenya. So one woman is not allowed to go 3 days. Before you almost 200,000. Tell them that there are a lot of poor in Africa. Let them give you money. Don't give them dime. Because there ain't no money, okay? No, yeah. Do the you see? I made sure that.